Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that can breathe new life into your Dell PowerEdge R610 or R710 server. The OWC 32GB DDR3 ECC registered memory kit. If you're looking to maximize the performance and extend the lifespan of your existing server infrastructure, or even save some money building a new one, this kit is definitely worth considering. This OWC kit consists of four 8GB DDR3 1333 MHz PC3-10600 ECC registered DMM modules. It's crucial to understand that this is ECC registered memory, designed specifically for servers and workstations. It will not work in your standard desktop computer, and you absolutely cannot mix it with unbuffered memory. This is a key point to remember before you even think about purchasing. The modules operate at 1.5V and are CL9 rated, ensuring stable and reliable performance. The 2RX4 configuration further enhances data throughput, making your server more responsive and efficient. One of the biggest advantages of choosing OWC is their commitment to customer support. They offer a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, which includes free tech support. This provides peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case of any issues. This 32GB kit is a direct replacement for a wide range of Dell part numbers, including a 2984886, a 2984887, a 3198153, and many others. This compatibility ensures a hassle-free installation process. Simply remove your old memory modules and replace them with the OWC kit. Upgrading your server's memory is one of the most cost-effective ways to improve its overall performance. More memory means your server can handle more tasks simultaneously, reducing bottlenecks and improving application responsiveness. If you're running virtual machines, databases, or other memory-intensive applications, this upgrade can make a significant difference. In conclusion, the OWC 32GB DDR3 ECC register memory kit is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their Dell PowerEdge R610 or R710 server. With its reliable performance, comprehensive warranty, and easy installation, it's a worthwhile investment that can extend the life of your server and improve its overall efficiency. Just remember to double-check compatibility and ensure that you're using ECC register memory in a compatible system.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.